welcome back to Camping with Emmy. I'm Denise. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I put this really cool map of the United States on the Banquette tabletop. I really thought that this would be super fun because not only Rick and myself and Emmy, but our kids and our grandkids will also be using this camper. And so I thought that the grandkids would also have a lot of fun just looking at the map of the United States and maybe picking out different places that they'd like to visit someday. And I can't wait to show you how cute this turned out. I absolutely love this. In this project in the camper makeover, I'm going to do a custom feature on the Banquette table. So I've put my 3 coats of my white Rust-Oleum appliance paint on the table, and I let it dry really well for several days. Next, I ordered this map of the United States. It's not laminated, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out and I am going to glue it on top of this table, and then I'm going to cover it with polyurethane or maybe epoxy. I'm not sure yet. First, I'm going to get it cut out and see how everything looks. When preparing the surface for this table, first I cleaned it off with the crud cutter to make sure I got all the grease and grime off of it, and then I sanded it down with, I think I used a 330 grit sandpaper to rough up the Formica a little bit, and then I put on 3 coats of the Rust-Oleum appliance paint. And I let that dry. I did 1 coat a day for 3 days, although I don't think that you really need to, because the directions say on the can that you can recoat within the same day. And I ordered the map on Amazon, and I ordered it without it being laminated. So I thought it would, work better with the table. And so I used the super sticky adhesive spray and sprayed it all down really good and put it on the table and put the books on top and left that for several hours just till everything dried really well. And then I put on several coats of polyurethane, and I did that in the high gloss finish, and the same high gloss finish I used on the countertops as well. And I would recommend putting several coats on. I put 5 coats of polyurethane on this table just to make it good and durable, so we wouldn't have any worries if anything spilled on it or anything like that. So I'm super happy with the way this turned out. I think it's adorable, and I think that it really adds a fun little element to our camper. So if you liked today's video, please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. And subscribe so you'll be notified of our next upcoming video. And as always, on behalf of Rick and Emmy and I, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.